Hello students, I am Vijay Sharma from Lala Jagdish Prasad Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Inter College, Muzaffarnagar. I welcome you all in your English class. Today's topic is past tense, in which we will study about past indefinite tense. Before we start our topic, we should know what is tense. Tense is a verb form that shows the time of an action or event or state, or we can say that tense describe, address a time. Tense is divided into three parts: present tense, past tense and future tense. Further, these all tenses are divided into four parts: indefinite tense, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous tense. Now come to our topic. As we have discussed about the tense and its form, now come to our topic. Past tense. What is past tense? As it's clear by its name also that in this tense we talk about past events, past incidents. Past tense refers to an action, event or condition that has happened in the past. Examples: she washed her car yesterday. She was not writing a letter. Gandhiji was a great leader. Where had he gone before we came? We had been playing since morning. Now, as I have told you earlier that each tense is divided in four parts. So, we will discuss about past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense is known as simple past tense also, and it describes an action, event or condition that occurred in the past at a specified time. Expresses past routine and habits, as he used to work 10 hours every day. He used to play hockey in this field. Here we can see that we are talking about the past habit that is not in present. And in this tense especially we use past time expressing words like yesterday, ago, last night, last year, last month. So students, now we will learn about the rules and the formation of past indefinite tense. But first of all we will know how can we recognize the past indefinite tense. In Hindi sentence, if there are these type of words tha, the, thi, or we found saka, saki, a, e, it means these sentences belong to past indefinite tense. So, how can we recognize or identify if there is a, e, gaya, आ, गई, ई, गए, ए, सका, सकी, ता, था, ती, थी. These type of words, if we found in the Hindi sentence, it means it is past indefinite tense. So let's start from affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences, known as positive sentence also. Positive sentence. The step we have to follow to make the affirmative sentence is, first of all we use subject, then verb, second form, then object, and then other words or time expressing words like yesterday, last night. So the first rule that we have to follow, that with every subject we have to use the second form of the verb. Students, this is the only tense in which we use second form of the main verb. Always remember, in present indefinite tense you have learned that we use verb first form. Verb first form or first form with SES. according to subject. But in past indefinite tense, we use second form with every subject, whether it is singular or plural. As you can see in the examples, मैं खेला, I played. वे वहाँ खेले, वे वहाँ गए. They played there. हम वहाँ गए. हम plural form we. गए go. Second form went. We went. Where? वहाँ there. We went there. So you can see that with every subject, whether it is singular, I is singular, we, they is plural, hum also plural, but we are using second form of the verb. So in the affirmative sentence, we use subject, then second form of the verb. We use did in negative sentence and interrogative sentence, but there is one condition in which we use did in affirmative sentence. If we want to emphasize a statement, then we use did in the affirmative sentences also. For example, मैं वहाँ गया. मैं I. गया verb, second form go went. I went there. मैं तो वहाँ गया. मैं तो वहाँ गया. तो मैं तो I did go there. We use first form with did. Next example, मैंने उसकी मदद की. I helped him. मैंने तो उसकी मदद की. I did help him. वह खेला. He played. वह अवश्य खेला. वह अवश्य खेला. वह he. खेलना play, second form played. He played. But I have told you that if we emphasize a statement, we use did. So he did play. As I said, I did call you, but you didn't answer me. मैंने तो तुम्हें कॉल की थी, लेकिन तुमने उत्तर नहीं दिया. Next, now come to negative sentences. Negative sentence. To make the negative sentence, we have to follow this step: subject, then did, not, and first form of the main verb. Verb, first form. Then object. Did is the second form of do. So did is the second form. That's why we use first form of the verb. Example, वह वहाँ नहीं गया. वह he नहीं did not. He did not. गया go. Second form went, but we have to use first form. So he did not go. गया go went. Second form, first form is go. He did not go there. वहाँ there. In present indefinite tense, we use do not and does not according to subject, but in past indefinite tense we use only did with every subject. वह वहाँ नहीं गया. राधा ने मेरी मदद नहीं की. Subject is राधा. राधा नहीं did not. राधा did not. मदद help. राधा did not help मेरी me. राधा did not help me. Next sentence. वे कल कानपुर नहीं गए. वे कल कानपुर नहीं गए. वे दे. नहीं did not. they did not. गए go. they did not go. where? Kanpur. they did not go to Kanpur. Kal. we use yesterday for kal in past tense. They did not go to Kanpur yesterday. मैं वहाँ नहीं गया. I did not go there. वे वहाँ नहीं गए. They did not go there. So the first point to remember is that we use did not plus with every subject and the first form of the verb. Second point to remember is if there is never in negative sentence, there is never. Never कभी नहीं. With never we use second form of the verb. Second form of the verb. Example, वे वहाँ कभी नहीं गए. वे they कभी नहीं never. they never. गए go first form, second went. they never went there. As I told you, with never second form, and if there is only nahi, then we use did not. With never we use second form of the verb. मैंने कभी झूठ नहीं बोला. मैंने कभी झूठ नहीं बोला. मैंने I कभी नहीं never. I never झूठ बोल told a lie. बोला told. Second form tell told. I never told a lie. So here 2 points to remember in negative sentence. Subject plus did not plus verb first form, and with never we use second form of the verb. As राधा ने कभी मेरी मदद नहीं की. राधा never helped me. Now come to interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. There are two types of interrogative sentence. First, if the question starts with kya in Hindi sentence, these type of questions are known as yes or no, because we can answer them in yes or no. So these type of questions we start with the helping verb. First, क्या वह वहाँ, क्या वह वहाँ नहीं गया. क्या did. Then subject, subject is वह. Did he नहीं, did he not go there. क्या उसने एक पत्र नहीं लिखा? क्या डिड, उसने ही सब्जेक्ट, डिड ही नॉट राइट a letter? So the rule we have to follow will be like this: did plus subject, then not if it's in the sentence, not plus verb first form, then object, and other words question mark, which is also very important in interrogative sentence in written. Next is, I have told you with never we use second form, but it comes in interrogative, then we use first form. क्या वह वहाँ कभी नहीं गया? क्या वह वहाँ कभी नहीं गया? क्या did he never go there? With did we use first form, so we have used first form with never also. The second type of, if the question word comes between the sentence, then we use the question word first. For example, उसने उससे क्या कहा? क्या what, then did, what did he say to him? वह वहाँ कब गया? वह वहाँ कब गया? Question word is कब, when. Did, when did subject वह, he, when did he go there? तुम उससे कहाँ मिले? Where did you meet him? वह यहाँ कब आया? When did he come here? Next point, if there is who, if there is who in the sentence as a subject, who is the subject, so we use second form with who. वहाँ कौन गया? कौन, who. With who we use verb second form. Who went there? वहाँ कौन गया? Who went there? उसे गणित किसने पढ़ाया? किसने, who. पढ़ाना teach, second form taught. Who taught उसे him? Who taught him mathematics? Question mark. But if there is negative sentence with who, उसे किसने नहीं पढ़ाया, then we use who did not teach him. So with did we always use first form of the verb. Students, today's class objective to improve your writing skill, speaking skill, as well as to improve your vocabulary also. So please do more practice of these sentences, and to command on this tense, please learn the second form of the verb. I hope today's class will be helpful to you understand the concept of this tense. Thank you.